You sing it first. What kind of words are those?
Now you say, Mommy, you say, okay?
No, you have to teach me the words.
I go to sleep. You drink.
You try.
Okay, but it did.
Where's Barney?
He's from. But we have Tenderheart.
Where do you think Tenderheart went?
He went into the big box.
In the big box?
You have to leave Barney against Tenderheart. We have to find him.
What? Where do you think he went?
He went into the box. He went there and then in the big space.
What?
Tenderheart is in the big space.
In the who?
Tenderheart in the big space. But we have to come back and go look. Come on, me. Let's go look for Tenderheart.
Okay. Who do you think took Tenderheart?
On the box.
Dinosaurs?
Yes. Tenderheart. Look, look. The Tenderheart.
Tenderheart.
Where are you? He's not in there, Mommy.
I don't know.
What?
You're gonna look in the trash can?